Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to find battery draining apps on your Android. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to go to the settings, then go down till you find battery and performance, click on it. And then here it will show you the applications that you have used and drained your battery, and you can click on this option right here in order to see the power usage by the software, hardware, or more details about the power usage and charging. Now I'm gonna click on power usage all again. Then here, as you can see, these are the apps that I have used and drained most of my battery. So now what I can do is to limit the usage of one of these apps. Let's say that I want to limit the usage of Telegram, for example. So I'm gonna click on it to get more details, then click on this icon right here, details. And now after clicking on it, go down till you find battery saver. And this option may differ from a phone to another, so you will just try to find something similar. Then go click on it. And here, as you can see, I have many options: no restrictions, battery saver, which is recommended, restrict background apps, restrict background activities. When I click on no restrictions, this app won't use any type of saving to the battery. But if I used restrict background apps, these apps will close after 10 minutes of background activity. So if you left the app for more than 10 minutes, it will close automatically from the background. And if you click on restrict background activity, this app will close automatically after coming out of it, and it will just be running when you open it again. In some mobiles, you can see another options like put to sleep or put into deep sleep, or you may find another options that make the notifications and updates unavailable to the app while running in the background, and updates and notifications won't be displayed to you till you open the application. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.